Hi, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up an email newsletter through the MSG91 service to leads from an advertising Facebook account. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer all new leads from Facebook to other systems. For example, you can set up an email newsletter for new leads from Facebook through the MSG91 service. Now let's move on to setting up. First, you need to create a new connection. At this stage, you can use one of the ready-made templates for systems to which you can transfer data. In this case, we need to select the system template MSG91, Send Email. At this stage, you need to connect your Facebook account to the Save My Leads service. First, you need to specify the username and password of your Facebook account. Then click Edit Settings. At this stage, you see all the advertising pages to which you have access. I recommend ticking all the boxes at once in order to be able to work with them in the future. Now you need to leave all access checkboxes enabled. When the connected account is displayed in the list, it must be selected. After that, we select the advertising page on which we want to send leads. Then you need to specify the forms by which the data will be downloaded. If you have multiple forms specified, you will need to create multiple connections for each of them. At this stage, you need to connect your MSG91 account to the Save My Leads service. To do this, you need to specify the API key. In order to get it, go to your personal account MSG91. Then you need to go to the One API section. Then go to the SMS API section. If you have not yet created an access key, you need to create one. I will use the already created. After you have copied the key, we return to the Save My Leads service and paste it into the appropriate field. When the required field is filled, click Save. After the connected account is displayed in the list, select it. Then you see the fields for sending an email message. In the sender field, you need to specify the sender's email. To receive it, you need to contact MSG91 support. After they give you this email, you can paste it in this field. In the name field, you can write any name of the sender. In the recipient field, you need to specify the user's email to which the letter will be sent. In order to add a variable from Facebook, which contains an email address, you need to click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. In the name field, you can enter your Facebook username. In the domain field, you need to indicate the domain that you have registered in MSG91. You can check this in your personal account. This section will display your registered domains. Copy it and paste it into the corresponding field in the Save My Leads service. Then you need to specify ID template. In order to get it, we return to the MSG91 service. In the templates section, you can copy the template ID by which the email distribution will take place. Your template uses variables var1 and var2, instead of which you can substitute values from Facebook, which are in the drop-down list. If you are satisfied with the presetting of fields, you can leave it unchanged. After the required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of an email message that will be sent with every new lead from Facebook. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to MSG91. As you can see, we received a message according to our template with substituted values, instead of variables var1 and var2. If everything suits you, go back to the Save My Leads service and complete the setup. In order for new leads from Facebook to be instantly sent email messages, you need to enable auto update. For this, click Finish Setup. If necessary, you can change the name of the connection. For this, we go to its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.